Today we're gonna do some rainbow hair. City has been asking me for rainbow hair for a long time, but it's a lot of work and a lot of commitment. So today we're gonna be doing rainbow hair with extensions.
Because Mommy said all the things we did in our hair.
She's been waiting a long time for this tutorial, so let's get started. We're using Barely extensions, 18-inch platinum blonde extensions, and today we'll be using Wella Paints colors for our hair dye. So, what do you want to say?
I'm going to do these colors too.
Yep, we're gonna mix all these colors up so that we can make a rainbow.
Every day and night, I'm running for you. Gotta move, don't want no ride. So run me up 'cause I know the world.
All right, we just mixed up our colors and we are ready to apply it to the hair. What do you think, City?
Yes.
Okay, to get started, all you have to do is just pour the colors straight to the bowls and they're ready to go. On the first set of extensions, we're gonna do horizontal stripes. So you're gonna start with red and then blend it down into your yellow and so on. Don't forget to blend the colors up and down as you go, and then flip the extensions over and do the other side as well, making sure every strand is completely saturated. For the second set of extensions, we're going to do these vertical stripes. So same deal, you're going to paint the stripes down the hair, and then once you're finished, flip it over and do the other side. Okay, after you finish this, you're going to let it sit for 20 minutes.
All right, guys, so we just rinsed and washed our hair extensions and blow dried them. And this is how they turned out. All right, so now we're gonna go style them and put them in and make a cool hairstyle. Right?
Right.
No. You're silly.